Top renovation ideas to increase your rental yield. Property extensions to create extra bedrooms or bathrooms. Kitchen upgrades including new appliances, flooring or worktops. Bathroom improvements. This may include new tiles, paint, and updated fixtures. Update flooring to replace worn-out carpets or laminate or hardwood for durability. Fresh paint for brighter, cleaner, and more inviting look. Enhance the property's exterior with fresh paint, landscaping maintenance, and outdoor lighting. Adding off-street parking where possible. Improve energy efficiency by upgrading windows, doors, boilers, insulation, and drought proofing. This can not only improve your EPC rating, but reduce your tenants' energy bills. Top tip, don't cut corners. Save until you can afford it. If you get the work done to a lower standard for a lower price, it may cause you and your tenants issues in the future and could potentially end up costing more than the original renovations would have to fix the issue. If you don't have the money set aside for the works, then you may want to consider refurbishment funding. Get in touch to find out more.